If you are following along on the other videos in this playlist, you'll have seen we've been working on this little project here. We've got these kind of effects working here. See, that's changing. That's in the movie that looks at more advanced techniques, and we had these here as well, working individually on these different sections. So in this video, I just wanted to bed these concepts in a little bit further, just show you a couple more use cases. So what I'm going to do is, if you've got the lab files that support this, I'm going to do this example here where we're going to create a little welcome message at the top of the page that will then disappear when the user clicks on it. So here we go. Right, so I've got a little bit of HTML, which is a welcome banner, and I'm going to add that in to the top of my index page here immediately after the body tag. So just drop that in. It's a little bit of HTML with some associated CSS. What it's going to do for us is give us this little welcome message at the top of the page. It's picking up that paragraph because previously I'd messed around with a DOM selection. Let's just get rid of this for now. Right, save that and go back and refresh. So what I've got is this little welcome message at the top, this little crosshair. So that's the result of adding this. So simply what I want to be able to do is when the user clicks on this image here, which is that close button, to cause that to fade away. So fairly easy one this. So in my JavaScript file, my jQuery file, what I'll do is I'll target the welcome banner, which has got an ID. So I'll use the ID selector to target that, and then specifically just the image that's in there. And then when that is clicked, what we'll do is we'll call a callback function, an event handler. It's going to trigger the event, and we can just say welcome banner, and we don't need it to come back, we don't need to do any toggle effects, so we just do a fade out. Let's say take a second to do that. Okay, so they click on the image, it's in the welcome banner, that's our CSS selector there. It's going to call this function, and it's going to fade out using the jQuery effect the banner. Let's give that a go. Just refresh, click on here, and you'll see that fades away. Okay, so that's the kind of trick that's often used for our site uses cookies type setups. The other little example I wanted to show you here is this is to do with when you're in the mobile view. So when I'm in the mobile view, there's our message again, but you'll see I've got that icon set up. That's using a little font awesome bar here. So in nav button, there is this I tag here, and I want to slide the menu up and down. So what I could do is I could target the nav button. So specifically we want to get the ID nav button, and when they click on the I, which is that little burger menu, we'll pick up a click, and the function will do, this will be our event handler. So this is going to get called as a result of clicking on that button. And this, I'm going to then target the nav. So the nav is the navigation bar here, and that's going to slide up or down, and we can stick our slideToggle in there, which is on the previous move. Let's do it on fast. Great, so that's going to give us a mobile friendly menu. So this is set up for mobile first, so you'll only see that when you're in mobile first. Just refresh, there's that message again, we'll get rid of that. But then we can do that, so you get the menu sliding up and down. If I was in the full view, you don't see that menu. Just refresh, so you won't have the opportunity to hide it, and the menu is styled to just fit along the top like that instead. Okay, so just a couple more quick examples of the kind of stuff that you can do with these jQuery events and the effects. And the effects you see are very useful for creating these nice little add-ons to your pages.